Hi, welcome to Brainy Buzz. This is the 11th tutorial of our HTML course. So far we have seen the structure of a web page, various formatting comments, the colors, and we have also seen the comments tag. But it's like basically you do not always want to write your text in black color or the white color, or it's like you can set the text of your color or the background of your web page using the text or bg color or background attribute of your body tag. But with that, like if you want to show your text in some text in green color, some text in red color, some text in black color, it's like you want to highlight some of the headings with the colors, so you cannot highlight all the headings with the same color. It's like you do not want to. So if you use the text attribute of your body tag, your whole text in the web page will be modified according to that color. But it's kind of your requirement that I want to modify some of the text with the red color, some with the green color, some with the blue color. So for that we have HTML fonts. It's like with the fonts you can define the typeface of your text, the color of your text, and even the font size. Like if you want your font size to be, like, it depends, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we'll see for that. It's like fonts and colors, they depend upon the browser and the computer that you are using. That means the graphic card or like that is there on your computer. But there are several colors that are attribute available that we have seen in the previous tutorial. So there is a font tag that is available, that is used to add the size, face and color to the text. Actually we'll use basically the CSS instead of the font tags, but sometimes it's like you need a font tag. You do not want to create a CSS class for just a single piece of code. So sometimes we prefer font also, and sometimes we prefer CSS also. Okay, there are three attributes of the font tag. One is the size, another one is the face, and third one is the color. So for the face, for the size, the values may vary from -6 to -1 and +1 to +7. We'll see the demo for these also. For the face values, you write the text like Times New Roman, Arial, Verdana. These are the values that can be included in the face attribute. The colors, it's like you can include the color names or the hexadecimal values or the RGB values also, whatever you prefer. Okay, now first we'll see the font size. Size attribute of font is used to set the size of the text. Like here we have included the values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you can see the size, it will vary. By default the font size is 3, so it depends. 7 is the biggest font and 1 is the smallest font over here. Let's see the demo for it in the Dreamweaver. I'll just change the title over here, font demo. So now I'll just write some paragraphs. You can write it using this or in your font size also, and you can include the BR tags, so the way you want. I'll just write some paragraphs over here. Now this is the demo for the size attribute, so you can just write here. You can find the number of the values that you want. +1 to +6 is there, and then minus, and then 1 to 7. I'll tell you the significance of this plus and minus symbols over here. So just let's consider it as the 1 over here. So you can also write font size 1 over here, and then close it, close your paragraph. So now you can see the font size 1, that is the smallest one. I'll just copy paste it, and here we have to see the 7. 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here you can change it, basically the font size. So now over here you can see the font size, basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 3 is your default one. So another thing, you have the relative font size. Here we use the plus or minus symbols. They basically specify the size larger or the size smaller than the present font size of the text. So if you have 3 and you after that you write -1, so it will be one font size smaller than your current font size. So whatever the font size you have currently, so plus or minus, it will be like 1 or 2 or 3 font size bigger than the current font size. So let's see a demo for it. I'll just include -1 over here. So now you can see font size -1, that is one font size smaller than the default font size, that is 3. You have default font size 3, so you have -1, so -1 that means 2. So the size of this font will be same as the size of this font. So now you can also write it as the +6. Now +6 is like your 3, and after that when you go for +6, the font size 7 and font size +6 is same. So it depends on you, whatever you write. There are some times that you want to show your text with the relative amount, so it can be like that. So here you have seen the demo for the size of your fonts, basically in the which size you want to write your font. Another thing, it's like if I just go with the +7, I didn't have the +7 when we have seen it, so just let's see what it will do. It will not make it more larger, because 6 is the uppermost limit, you can say. So it's like whether you write 7, 8 or 9, it won't give you any error. It will just show it show it with the same size. So in the next tutorial we'll see the face and the colors of the font. Thanks and have a nice day.